We are looking for people who will mature, who are serious, who are committed, that government can invest in. We train them for 3 weeks to change their behavior because we want them to be matured men and women that can handle business. That's what we did in Nigeria, and we achieved over 90% success.
We're looking at 3 sub-regions: Teso, which we're beginning with this year, and then we shall move on next year to Elgon and Bukedi, also targeting 100 beneficiaries, and then later on in 2026 we shall be in Busoga sub-region.
We expect very commendable results, especially in terms of outcome and impact of this project.
The total recommended for the training is 113 to include the persons with disabilities. And every successful participant will be given between 3 to 5 million Uganda shillings, depending on the enterprise.